Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if you can connect your Sony WH-1000XM5 using this normal jack cable. So first of all, let's look on the headphones, and here we can see on the left headphone we can see the headphone jack. Now let's connect this to this, and then we can take our phone, connect it as well, like this. We can try playing some music. I'm gonna disable Bluetooth for that. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.